In this video, we will see how to replace the band on your Casio G-Shock. First of all, you will see that there is screws on each side of the band. There is no link with the band. Actually, it's there to hold the case, not the band. Don't fall for it. What you will need to do is to remove those pins that are right here. And for this, you don't need it, but it goes so much better when you have the right tools. This is a tool for those pins. I got it into this package that have everything for you to do the maintenance on your watch. There's a link in the description if you want to order it. So let's get back to that watch. As you can see right there, there is those pins, and you will need to insert. You see, this must go into here, and then you pry into that direction, and it's kind of difficult. So you see, it is right here that you try to hold it and pry it to make it go away. Now you can see it very well. So once this is done, you can remove the band. Well, this is the old band. You can remove that pin from here and put it into the new band. If you want a new band, you can follow the link in my description. And then the only thing you will need to do is the very same process, but in reverse. So basically, you take one side of the band with the pin and you put it right here inside. It's one of the most difficult watch band to replace from my experience. So you set it inside like that, and then you press on the pin right here. Try to make one side of the pin like that. You see, the pin over here is now inside, and then you press on the other side of the pin very hard. Actually, it's not yet inside. And it's very hard to do on the camera.
Finally, push the pin inside to make sure it's well in place into the cavities. If you pull on the band and it doesn't move, you did everything okay. So, I hope this was helpful.